name is Enrique Torres. I'm with Earth Car Wash. I'm here to wash this G-Wagon right here. I'm gonna show you before I get started. The before video. Looks pretty dirty. I'll do the second video right now so you guys can see it. The way better already. Just the body. As you can see, I did that part, and this is the part I haven't done. Way better. All the way to the top. Looking way shiny. Got the chrome. Hey, this is Enrique again. I'll finish with this G-Wagon. As you guys can see, it looks way better. Windows looking nice. Looking white. The wheels shiny, rims clean. Vacuum inside. Door jambs cleaned. Interior wiped down. So yeah, make an appointment today with Earth Car Wash and have your car looking clean. Thank you. Till next time.